Good afternoon. Have you wondered what has contributed to the elevating rates of testicular cancer amongst men in the United States? I'm Attorney Tracy Paulsen, and I wanted to discuss the connection between testicular cancer and exposure to PFAS or forever chemicals in our drinking water supply. Today, many municipalities and public drinking water supplies across the United States are contaminated with these PFAS or forever chemicals. They're called forever chemicals because they do not break down in the water, in our environment, or in our bodies. These chemicals have been known to lead to testicular cancer in men and also other forms of cancer in humans. They are life-threatening. Who knew that today, by drinking water that we believed was safe, could possibly kill us? We are taking strides. This is becoming more well-known across the country. You've probably seen many videos like this. I have many clients currently, mostly young men, who have been affected with testicular cancer. This can have life-altering effects. If somebody is lucky to survive, they have to undergo significant surgery, possibly the results of loss or one or both testicles. I've had a few clients in particular, and one that comes to mind right now, who was 22 years old when diagnosed. And after surgery, he is now infertile. He's young. He's a married man. So on top of all of this and having to take testosterone for the rest of his life, he and his wife are undergoing complicated, invasive fertility treatments, trying to possibly obtain sperm, which most likely will not happen. They may have to get a donor. And this is a very sad and a difficult emotional grieving process that's going to continue and affect him, his wife, and if he's lucky enough to have a family for years to come. Plus also knowing that you have to be tested on a regular basis to make sure that this cancer does not come back. Currently, there is a lawsuit pending. It's a multi-district litigation, which means that when there's a lot of similar cases, that these can be banded together for efficiency purposes that can also benefit the plaintiffs. Right now, these cases are being heard in the federal district court in South Carolina under one judge. The first bellwether trials are set to be held in October of this year. So this is moving quickly. These are landmark cases. If you have been diagnosed with testicular cancer, you may have a right for compensation from the manufacturers that knowingly produce these chemicals in a myriad of products and which were dumped as waste in industrial processes into our ground, into our soil, and inevitably into our drinking water, and have been present there for years. You may be eligible if you want to discuss this and find out if you are and what your legal rights and remedies are. Please contact me directly. Do not wait. I've had a lot of experience with these cases. My number is 617-821-5856, and you can also schedule a confidential free consultation as well on my website at rightfullegal.com. You can also find a wealth of information about this lawsuit as well. Please contact me today, as this is moving fast. This is a chance for you to hold these companies accountable and hopefully create some positive change for the future. Please speak up, speak out, let everybody know what's going on so we can create positive change and try to turn this around. Thank you so much.